Welcome back to another video, guys. We're rolling right into another one. Previously, we just blew up this truck bed air mattress I picked up on Amazon. It's on Brado. Truck bed air mattress. It fits over the wheel wells, nice and snug. Link to that video will be in the description, and also a link to this if you want to check that out. This video, we got something we're going to use with that, and plus with the cot that I have for go camping in the tent. This is what people have said is the best inflatable camping travel pillow. It is the Hikenture Inflatable Camping Travel Pillow. Clever. It's got great reviews on Amazon as far as comfort goes, durability, washability. There's a cover that you can take off it and wash it so it stays nice and clean. Comes in this nice little bag. You can even put this in your pocket, but it's made for going on a backpack. Let's get this thing blown up, see if it really lives up to the hype. Like most things on Amazon, they come in like a bunch of different colors. You get this one, you get it blue, green, black, gray, and khaki. I think I got the gray one. I don't remember. Yeah, this is, I'm assuming it's just gray because the bag is gray. I don't know. We'll see. All right. So the cover is already on it. So it's a typical pillow. Just get the inflatable part in the center. You blow that up, and then you get the bag. The cover, which is washable. Cool thing about this one is it's got a strap on it here, so you can wrap it right around your air mattress if that's how you're sleeping with it, so it won't move around on you. But I guess if you're in a sleeping bag, really won't work out too well. But hey, it does have that option, and it snaps on and off, so you can remove that if you want to. So cool little feature. Now it says somewhere on here that it's like 4 or 5 breaths to blow it up. I don't know if that's true or not. Maybe it is. But one thing we can use to blow this up with is we can use the pump that came with the air mattress. That'll just make this thing go even quicker. All right, let's get this sucker blown up. The box, or somewhere on the description, it says 5 or 6 breaths to get him fully inflated. I believe it's not that big. And the cool thing about this one is there's a valve in here to open and close it. So when you want to deflate, you hit it and just lets the air out. And you're blowing it up, you hit it again, so the air that you already blew in it doesn't come back out. Cool little feature. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. One more for good measure. So yeah, 4 good breaths. That thing's already blown up. Awesome. Oop, little lightheaded. Anyway, yeah, there you go. Put the tab back in there. Don't lose the air. You can probably take the strap off, and you can sleep on either side. Sleep on the black side, probably be more comfortable. Oh, I think this is the side you're supposed to anyway. Yeah. So use the black side to sleep on. And here you go. And the cover is cool because it's not like other inflatable pillows where it's just that material. So when if it's on the air mattress, it's squeaks and whatever, makes the noise. But this is actually nice comfy cloth. Let's test it out. All right, let's try it out. Let's see here. Not bad. It's not a memory foam pillow, but it's better than a lot of other inflatable pillows I've used in the past. And the cutouts right here actually make it nice. Your shoulder goes kind of like in that, so it actually, your head fits on a lot better than some other ones. Is it the most comfortable option? I don't know. I'd say it might be the most comfortable one I've used in the past. Nothing beats a good old-fashioned pillow from your bed, but in a pinch, for the size this thing is and what it costs, great option. Let me just get a little test here. Yeah, that ain't bad. She'll do, Oh yeah, she'll do real good. Real nice pillow. All right, my final thoughts. Is it a good pillow? Yeah. It's got a nice soft cover on there. Inflates easy. 4 to 6 breaths. It's fully inflated. It's got a nice tab on the middle there, so when you blow the air, it doesn't come back out. I give this a solid 8 out of 10. It's not the most comfortable one I've ever used. Actually, I take that back. It's probably the most comfortable one I've ever owned. Not the most comfortable one I've ever used. But it's definitely a great option. It was fairly inexpensive. It goes in a bag about yay big. Could fit it in your pocket if you had to, but it's perfect for backpack camping or just go on your tent. Great option. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. I'll put a description in. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check this out. I picked this up on Amazon. I forgot what I paid for it. I think it was more than 20, less than 40. Yeah, good option. Good pillow. Good buy. I'd recommend it. Goes well with this. Probably use it with that. I don't know. We'll see. As always, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section down below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you were looking for a good camping pillow for your tent or car, whatever, good option right here. The Hikenture Inflatable Camping Travel Pillow. I'd recommend it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. I'll see you at the next video.